Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can send an unban request on Discord. To do that, first open your Discord. After that, go to the server from which you are banned. You can get banned from a server due to different reasons, like using abusive words in the chat or sending inappropriate material. You can get unbanned from that server by sending an unban request to the moderator or bot of that server and tell them that this was a mistake and they will unban you. And this is the first method through which you can get unbanned. In the second method, first log out from your Discord account and then open any VPN. I am using Hotspot Shield. Start your VPN. After that, you have to log out from this account and create a new account and send that server a request to join again. In this way, they will not detect you while using a VPN, and after you are added into the server, you can close your VPN and continue using your Discord without any problem. And this is how you can send an unban request in Discord. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.